Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Mercedes EQS? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a seamless widescreen display with AI-powered personalization, ambient lighting, integrated entertainment apps, and a high-end 4D sound system. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays for navigation, driver assistance, and essential vehicle data. The climate control system ensures cabin comfort with multi-zone settings and air purification. The electric powertrain features dual motors for all-wheel drive, delivering instant torque, smooth acceleration, and efficient long-range performance. Window and seat controls adjust the position of the windows and seating for comfort and visibility. The steering wheel offers precise control, comfort, and multifunctional buttons. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, restraint system, seatbelt warning lamp, occupant presence detection, reduced lamp power, system malfunction, electrical malfunction, power steering, rear axle steering, coolant, check engine. Engine operating temperature, fuel reserve flashes, electric parking brake, RBS warning lamp, brake warning lamp, ABS warning lamp, ESP flashes, ESP off, ESP off, ESP sport, attention assist, traffic sign assist, distance warning lamp, active brake assist, active brake assist off, active brake assist, AMG Ride Control Plus, Mercedes-Benz emergency call, tire pressure monitoring system, side lights, low beam, turn signal lights, rear fog light, drive away assist, rear cross traffic, close range braking, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.